everyone. We're getting ready for a carnival. The mechanicals are just finishing off their costumes. I love the jacket, Grandma.
Thanks, Gecky. Carnival is all about love. Now, where are my mini metal ones? I want to see their costumes.
A brilliant banana.
Oh, Blue, my heart.
No need to be shy, Green. You look amazing. Wait, where's Red?
Come on, you lot. Let's get this show on the road.
What's wrong, buddy? This is the design for your costume. It's amazing. It really is. It's okay to feel nervous, Red, but don't worry about what others think of you. Carnival is all about expressing yourself and being proud of who you are. And I'll always be proud of you. Oh, yay!
Hey! Start your engines!
Come on, Red, you can do it. I'm so proud of you all. Let the carnival continue.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Gecko's garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done.
Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye! What? Huh? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong. Mummy Truck saved the day. I'd better call Eric the Excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's Garage.
Gecko's bird watching today, E-I-E-I-O. While Barry and Carrie are out to play, E-I-E-I-O. With a drive here, a drive there. Here a drive, there a drive, everywhere a drive. Now Barry has slipped away, E-I-E-I-O. Barry slipped into the pond, E-I-E-I-O. But Tilly tow truck won't be long, E-I-E-I-O. With a Toto here, a Toto there. Here a tow, there a tow, everywhere a Toto. Now he's safe back on dry land, E-I-E-I-O. Fiona fire truck is outside, E-I-E-I-O. With a sad, sad face she cannot hide, E-I-E-I-O. With a sigh here, a sigh there. Here a sigh, there a sigh, everywhere a sigh. Fiona's hose needs some repair, E-I-E-I-O. Gecko goes to get his wrench, E-I-E-I-O. The water sprayed and mechanicals drenched, E-I-E-I-O. With a splish splash here, a splash splash there. Here a splish, there a splash, everywhere a splish splash. The problem is solved with Gecko's wrench, E-I-E-I-O. Baby truck is covered in dirt, E-I-E-I-O. To the car wash for a soapy squirt, E-I-E-I-O. With a scrub here, a squirt there. Here a scrub, there a squirt, everywhere a scrub squirt. Now she's sparkly clean again, E-I-E-I-O. All's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye.
It's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan, Green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! You're right, Green. There's a fire! It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals! Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it! We need a nice loud Neenor sound. All done. Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a Neenor. That was a Neenor, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud Neenor. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage. Hello, everyone. Eric the Excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose Yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, Baby Truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Happy Halloween!